Hi everyone, here we are in week 7. This week we'll be exploring adding, subtracting, multiplying, and dividing rational expressions, chapter 8.2 to 8.3, solving proportions, chapter 8.7, and radicals, square roots, chapters 9.1. We will also complete and submit our third test. Please review our specific week 7 learning outcomes as well as the sample schedule I've placed on this overview page. To achieve our learning outcomes, we'll need to read through all the assigned OpenStax textbook chapters, take notes, and watch all the instructional videos. Please do not skip or rush through this material. In addition to chapter 8.2 to 8.3, 8.7, and 9.1 homework assignments, you'll see 2 lab assignments and our test 3 on chapters 7 and 8. Also remember our extra credit opportunity. If you complete Final Exam Review Form A and Final Exam Review Form B and earn at least an 80% on both by December 11th, you'll earn 5% extra credit added onto your final exam grade. You may take these practice tests an unlimited amount of times to improve your score before the December 11th due date. It's a great opportunity. As I mentioned last week, this may make a big difference in a letter grade or even in passing our course. Please do not hesitate to reach out to me for any assistance. If you'd like to Zoom together, I'm happy and willing and available for you. Have a fantastic week 7. Thank you.